Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a creatine shake. First, gather your creatine monohydrate powder and your preferred liquid. Most people use 3 to 5 grams of creatine per serving. This simple method ensures you get your daily dose efficiently. It's a quick and easy way to incorporate this beneficial supplement into your routine, supporting your fitness goals effectively. Choosing the right liquid is important. Water is always a great, no-fuss option. However, some find that mixing creatine with fruit juice, like grape or apple, can help with absorption due to the simple carbohydrates. You can also blend it into your favorite protein shake or milk for added convenience and taste. Let's get mixing. Start by pouring about 8 to 12 ounces of your chosen liquid into a shaker bottle. Next, use a scoop to measure your 3 to 5 grams of creatine powder. Add the powder to the liquid, secure the lid tightly, and shake vigorously for about 15 to 20 seconds until fully dissolved. For best results, drink your creatine shake immediately after mixing to prevent settling. Consistency is crucial. Aim to take your creatine around the same time each day. Remember to drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially when supplementing with creatine, to support hydration and overall effectiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.